Learn Hindi connectors fast, and, but, or in.
Hindi.
With.
और. लेकिन. Yeah.
Welcome to the Tiny Word Circus. Hey, you're about to learn some of the most powerful little words in Hindi. They are tiny, but they hold sentences together like brave paper clips with emotional baggage. Today you will meet 8 useful connectors in.
Hindi. और.
For in.
लेकिन.
For but.
Yeah.
For or.
क्योंकि.
For because.
तब.
For then.
पहले.
For first.
उसके बाद.
For after that, and.
अभी भी.
For still. If nouns are furniture, these words are the screws. Not glamorous, but without them everything falls over. First coffee, then grammar. Let's start with a mini story you can actually imagine. Listen for the Hindi connector words as they pop up like dramatic subtitles. Ravi walks into a cafe and says, I want tea.
और.
Coffee. The waiter blinks. Both? Ravi nods proudly. Then the waiter asks, tea.
Yeah.
Coffee? Ravi realizes his stomach is ambitious.
लेकिन.
His wallet is not. He says, tea, please.
क्योंकि.
I need to stay awake.
पहले.
He drinks the tea.
तब.
He opens his notebook.
उसके बाद.
He studies Hindi. 2 hours later he is.
अभी भी.
In the cafe, learning one connector at a time and pretending that counts as a social life. Meet the connectors. Now let's make each word super clear. Keep it simple, hear it, repeat it, own it. And, in Hindi is.
और.
Example, tea.
और.
Coffee are on the table. But, in Hindi is.
लेकिन.
Example, I am tired.
लेकिन.
I will continue. Or, in Hindi is.
Yeah.
Example, tea.
Yeah.
Coffee? Because, in Hindi is.
क्योंकि.
Example, I stayed home.
क्योंकि.
It was raining. Then, in Hindi is.
तब.
Example, finish your homework.
तब.
Go outside. First, in Hindi is.
पहले.
Example,
पहले.
wash your hands. After that, in Hindi is.
उसके बाद.
Example,
उसके बाद.
we went home. Still, in Hindi is.
अभी भी.
Example, I am.
अभी भी.
Waiting. A very serious dialogue about snacks. You deserve a dialogue. This one is about food, which means it is automatically educational. A. What do you want? Samosas.
Yeah.
Pakoras? B. Samosas.
और.
Pakoras. A. That was not the question. B. I know.
लेकिन.
I believe in big dreams. A. Fine.
पहले.
Sit down. B.
तब.
We order chai? A. Yes.
उसके बाद.
We can discuss dessert. B. Excellent.
क्योंकि.
I am hungry. A. You are.
अभी भी.
Hungry? You already ate. B. Yes. This is my personality. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's glue these words into your memory with quick images. The weirder the image, the better your brain behaves. Picture 2 mangoes tied together by a ribbon labeled.
और.
That is in. Imagine sunshine.
लेकिन.
Suddenly rain. That sharp turn is but. See a menu with tea on one side and coffee on the other, with.
Yeah.
Floating between them, that is or. Think of someone saying, why? And the answer arrives with.
क्योंकि.
That is because. Visualize one domino falling.
तब.
The next. That is then. Raise one finger for.
पहले.
It means first. See a timeline arrow moving ahead to.
उसके बाद.
That is after that. Picture a lamp that is on.
अभी भी.
After midnight. That is still. Quick drill, no panic. Now you answer in your head, or out loud if you enjoy confusing nearby people. I'll give English, and you recall the Hindi. And.
और.
But.
लेकिन.
Or.
Yeah.
Because.
क्योंकि.
Then.
तब.
First.
पहले.
After that.
उसके बाद.
Still.
अभी भी.
Build a sequence like a pro. You do not need long speeches to sound smart. Just link simple ideas well, and suddenly you sound organized and suspiciously competent. Try this pattern.
पहले,
Means first. Then comes.
तब,
Meaning then. Next you can say.
उसके बाद,
Meaning after that. If something continues, use.
अभी भी,
Meaning still. Example story.
पहले,
I opened the book.
तब,
I read one page.
उसके बाद,
I made tea. I am.
अभी भी,
Learning Hindi. Tiny quiz, big drama. Time for a mini quiz. Zero stress. Even if you miss one, the grammar police are off duty today. Which Hindi word means and?
और,
Which Hindi word means but?
लेकिन,
Which Hindi word means or?
या,
Which Hindi word means because?
क्योंकि,
Which Hindi word means then?
तब,
Which Hindi word means first?
पहले,
Which Hindi phrase means after that?
उसके बाद,
Which Hindi phrase means still?
अभी भी,
Goodbye, tiny word master. Nice work. You just learned some of the most useful glue words in Hindi, and your sentences are already getting smoother. Thank you for learning with me today. Practice these words a little every day.
और, लेकिन, या, क्योंकि, तब, पहले, उसके बाद,
And
अभी भी.
keep practicing, keep repeating, and do not worry if it feels slow at first. You are doing great, and your Hindi is growing one tiny word at a time.